Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Justin and you're on Fast Entrepreneur. Let's get it. So I'm out for just a morning walk, doing some things, and I want to and need to, we've got to talk about this Bitcoin ETF. What is it? Is this really a big deal? So here it is. I mean, the rumor has it, this is happening, folks. It looks like it's happening, and it looks like it could be real soon. I mean, I've even read things, as soon as just a few days could be either some announcements or some launches early this week. So what does this mean? Well, it's not a Bitcoin ETF in terms of spot, right? And just so you know, there's probably about 40 or so different entities applying for these ETFs, which stands for an exchange traded fund. Basically, you can think it's how do I put it? It's not an index fund. It's not a mutual fund, but it kind of behaves like it sometimes. That's the easiest way to put it. But these are this Bitcoin ETF supposedly is a Bitcoin futures ETF. So what that means is, these entities will be playing around with the futures contracts, and just so you know, these can be manipulated, to some degree, and unfortunately, might be at your expense, and help to pad pockets of hedge funds and the like. But this is big. This is a huge on-road. There's been other ETFs in other countries, but for the United States to do something like this, it basically legitimizes, Bitcoin and crypto in a regulatory manner. And so this could mean lots of money being pouring in, but it could also mean that there might be a lot of hype. And it does look like even the on-chain metrics that we are in for some sort of maybe big parabolic move. And so, if you are in this market, no financial advice, you got to do your own research, but, it can be fun times. But financial gravity, my friends, what goes up, they just end up coming down. And whatever comes down, they just turn around. And whatever turns around may not stop. Nobody knows. So Bitcoin ETF, and this might pave the future for other ETFs, maybe other Bitcoin futures ETFs, maybe some spot ETFs, maybe even some, broader cryptocurrency ETFs. So basically think about it this way. I mean, anybody that's got a brokerage account, pension funds, retirement, you name it, now they have an easy on-ramp to the exposure of this asset class. But do remember, they're not owning the coins, so you're getting exposure, but at the end of the day, not your keys, not your coins. Anyways, that's the big news of the week. And, Bitcoin's approaching its all-time high again. We'll have to see what happens. The alt market is likely poised for some mad gains. And that's all. I'm gonna leave it at that. Getting my little walk here. That's a nice view. Beyond that, you can't really see it. The home is in the midst. But so tell me what you all think. What do you expect? What are you gonna do? All right, folks. It's happening. It's happening. It's really happening. See ya.